Welcome to Automotive Republic. My name is James. Today we're going to be working on this 2016 Toyota 4Runner. But today we're going to be doing the brakes on it. So that's what this video is going to be about. So without further ado, let's get into it and get working on this thing. Make sure you do it in the star. I mean, you don't really have to, but professionals will say, make sure you do it in the star pattern. So let's do it in the star pattern. That's okay. Last thing you want to do is put it all together and then take it apart because your brakes are making some noise. Make sure you got some brake lube. So we got these pins here. Every car is going to be a little bit different, but it looks like we have these pins here, little metal ones. Pop those out, and then you have these little metal pins that slide through, slide pins. Like that. And these will definitely make your job a little bit easier. Come right here. So, this pin out. There's two bolts holding that caliper on there. In this case, it's a 19. So this one, you're going to need an adapter because we don't want to mess up that brake line. Then we got this broken loose. Before you drop that caliper at all, you need to get this brake line unmounted because this is all hard line, this is soft line, and hard line does not flex, so if you unbolt this, it'll bend that hard line. And I have a little 10 mil in here. Did you find the 10 mil? Bam. Wish I had a hanger right now. Those are basically toast. Find a safe spot to hang this, so just give me a minute. Okay, we got something to hold it up a little bit so it's not just dangling. So we're good. Anyway, time to put the new pads on. So what you do is you grab those old pads, you put them back in there, and you use it for your surface area. Because this little nub isn't going to hit both of these pistons and push them in. So it's really hard. You can get the ledge of it, but then you want to push it flushly. So that just helps you do that. So you just tighten this so you see how smushing it, pushing the pistons back in. Make sure you go all the way. The other side. Keep your grease. Anyone who saw my last video, this pin has to go back in there, just like this. It's going to pop in this hole, bam, and then it goes in those little pins on the other side. So you have to make sure the holes on these pins are lined up. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Perfect. It's my first time using this since we're a little light on the lube we have. I got one pack for each caliper. So we're going to try some of this, see how it works. You know, I got this stuff in 2019 when I graduated technical school. Gave us like a whole box and everything, like from WD-40 for with like a custom rag and everything. I never used a rag. I think I still have this, but I was like, well, this WD-40 you can find anywhere, so I'll use the WD-40. Cool. So that's done. Well, hardware clips are very important. Definitely don't want a brake pad falling off. This is this. Going fast is pretty cool, but brakes are pretty important.
Yeah.
I think I should put that on a t-shirt, bud.
Yeah, I like that.
Alright, so this was done. Get the tire back on there. Damn it, bro.
No way.
Well, alright guys, well as you've seen, we got this brake job done on this 2016 Toyota 4Runner. That being said, I wanted to thank my buddy Mason for bringing it by and letting us do the brake job on it. Although it didn't cost him anything, I think it was pretty awesome for him to trust me with his new vehicle. He did just purchase this, so once again, shout out to him. I hope he has a whole bunch of great adventures with this rig, and hopefully he can feel a lot more safe with it, knowing it has new brakes on it. So with that being said, I just wanted to thank everyone for watching the video, staying tuned, leaving comments, subscribing, all that stuff. It means the world to me. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. On that note, we're all done, and I'm gonna go get some rest, probably take a bath for once in my life. So you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.